Hello friends, welcome to the Moral Show YouTube channel. Today video, a new video about NFTs. Today I will show you a NFT website. Its name is OpenSea. You can go to the Google and search OpenSea. OPENCEA. This is the website. You can log in to this website. I am also new to this site. The first page, discover, collect and sell extraordinary NFTs. You can see a nice image. Let's go to the down of this website. You can see notable docs. I also don't know what are these. And here you can see top collection over last 7 days. These are the top NFTs of last week. Number 1 is Mutant Ape, and you can see lot of NFT collections. In here you can see Ethereum count of the value of this NFT collection. Let's go to one of this NFT collection. First I go to Mutant Ape package. In this Mutant Ape club, they have 17.7k items, 11.2k owners, and Ethereum price 14.368. Volume traded Ethereum 177.4k. The Mutant Ape Club is a collection of up to 20,000 mutant apes that can only be created by exposing an exciting ball ape to a vial of mutant serum, or by minting a mutant ape in the public sale. You can see NFT collections. They are very funny images. But this is worth 31.43 dirhams. It means 108,432 Ethereums. Sorry, US dollars. You can see lot of stats of this NFT. In this Mutant Ape collection, you can see lot of NFTs. Lot of them are very funny. Some of them are wearing a hat. Smiley. They all are like zombies. Okay, let's go to another NFT collection. You can see a lot of NFT collection. Let's go to the CryptoPunks. In this CryptoPunks, they also mention Mr. You can see these images are like preschool children's images, but they have high validity. They are like cartoon images. Okay, now I think you got the idea about NFT collections. Let's go to the below of this website. In here, you can see trending in all categories. You also can browse this website and learn a lot of things about NFTs. And here, you can create and sell your NFTs. You can set up your wallet and create your collection. You can add your NFTs, list them for sale. I think this is very good platform for earn money. And here resources for getting started. And you can see they give tips for avoid scams and stay safe. Keeping yourself safe when buying NFTs. Like that, you can see a lot of information. And here you can browse by category. Crypto arts, crypto collectibles, crypto domain names, NFT art, NFT collectibles, NFT domain names, and music, photography. Like you can see a lot of things. And here they put a small video about OpenSea.
This is a video about OpenSea, the NFT marketplace with everything for everyone, including people who don't really know what NFTs are, in which case, deep breath. NFTs can be art, virtual experiences, or figure games.
Okay, you can see this video also in this website. And then here is a button. Let's go to that button. It is about marketplace. You can see a lot of trending NFTs, NFTs, arts, collectibles, domain name, music. They all are NFTs. You can also search this and learn more things about NFTs. This is also my first time coming this website. But these days, NFTs are very viral topic. A lot of people are earning a lot of money from it. This is also cryptocurrency. This is also like cryptocurrency. You can see a lot of things about NFTs in this site. These are rankings. These are top NFTs last 7 days. First one is Mutant Ape Jack Club. We early also mentioned this NFT collection. As well as you can see a lot of NFT collections. They categorize according to their ranking. You can see a lot of tabs like center, platform, start, partners, blogs, newsletters. Okay, subscribe the Morals for YouTube channel for this kind of money making videos. Follow our social media platforms. Our social media platform links are in this video description. We making lot of money earning videos and very important marketing videos and biography videos, and we have Facebook page also. You can like it, and you can join our Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups. Those links are in this video description. Stay safe. See you again with the new NFT video. Thank you very much.